spring?
Spring is a season full of life and color. It is the time of year when everything starts to wake up from the cold, dark winter. The days become longer and the weather gets warmer. Flowers bloom, trees grow new leaves, and animals come out from hibernation. Spring is a season of new beginnings and fresh starts. One of the best things about spring is the change in the weather. After months of cold winter, the temperature begins to rise. The air feels fresh and warm. People no longer need heavy coats, and they can spend more time outdoors. It is the perfect time to enjoy nature, take walks, or have picnics in the park. Flowers are one of the most beautiful parts of spring. As the snow melts and the sun shines, flowers start to bloom everywhere. Tulips, daffodils, and cherry blossoms are just a few of the many flowers that appear in spring. The bright colors of the flowers, like pink, yellow, and purple, fill gardens and parks, making the world look cheerful and lively. Trees also go through a transformation in spring. During the winter, many trees lose their leaves, leaving them bare. But in spring, new leaves start to grow. The trees turn green again, and the forests and parks look full of life. Birds return to the trees and build their nests. They sing songs that fill the air with joyful sounds. Spring is also the season of new life for animals. Many animals give birth to their babies in the spring. You can see baby birds in nests, baby rabbits hopping through fields, and baby deer learning to walk. Animals that hibernate, like bears and squirrels, come out of their long winter sleep. They start looking for food and enjoying the warmer weather. For farmers, spring is a very important season. It is the time when they begin planting their crops. The soil is soft, and the weather is perfect for seeds to grow. Farmers plant vegetables, fruits, and grains that will grow throughout the year. Spring rains help water the fields and make the plants grow strong. Without spring, we would not have the fresh food that we enjoy in summer and autumn. Spring is also a time of festivals and celebrations. Many cultures have special holidays during the spring to celebrate the season of renewal. One of the most famous spring holidays is Easter. People celebrate Easter by decorating eggs, having special meals, and spending time with family. In some countries, there are festivals where people throw colorful powder or flowers to celebrate the arrival of spring. Another famous spring festival is Earth Day, which is celebrated on April 22nd. On this day, people think about how they can take care of the planet. They plant trees, clean up parks, and learn how to protect the environment. Spring is the perfect time for Earth Day because it is a season that reminds us of the beauty of nature and the importance of keeping it healthy. Spring also brings changes in the way people feel. After a long, dark winter, many people feel happier and more energetic in spring. The sunshine and warm weather make it easier to spend time outside, and this helps people feel more positive. Many people start exercising more in spring, going for walks or bike rides, or just spending more time in the fresh air. Gardening is a popular activity in spring. Many people plant flowers, vegetables, or herbs in their gardens. It is a relaxing and rewarding hobby. Watching plants grow from seeds into beautiful flowers or tasty vegetables is satisfying. Gardening also helps people connect with nature and spend time outdoors. Spring is also a time when people do spring cleaning. After being indoors for most of the winter, many people take the opportunity to clean their homes from top to bottom. They open the windows to let in fresh air, wash their windows, and organize their belongings. Spring cleaning is a way to start fresh and get rid of clutter, making the home feel clean and bright. In many places, spring also means the start of the sports season. People begin playing outdoor sports like baseball, soccer, and tennis. The warmer weather makes it easier to play outside and enjoy physical activities. For children, spring is a fun time to play in the park or ride their bikes. The fresh air and sunshine give people energy and make them want to stay active. The longer days are another great part of spring. As the earth tilts toward the sun, the days become longer and the nights become shorter. This means there is more daylight to enjoy outdoor activities. It also makes people feel more awake and less tired. Longer days mean more time to spend with friends and family, whether it's having a picnic, going for a hike, or simply sitting outside and enjoying the sunshine. Spring is a season that reminds us of the beauty of nature and the importance of taking care of the environment. It is a time to appreciate the flowers, trees, and animals that bring life and color to the world. As the cold of winter fades away, spring fills the world with warmth, light, and hope. In conclusion, spring is a wonderful season that brings new life, fresh beginnings, and joy. The flowers bloom, the trees grow, and the animals come out to play. The weather is warm and the days are long, giving people more time to enjoy the outdoors. Spring is a time to celebrate nature, to plant seeds for the future, and to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. Whether it's through gardening, celebrating festivals, or simply taking a walk in the park, spring gives us many reasons to smile and feel grateful for the world we live in.